When did we meet? We met, what, during the pandemic, right?
Yeah.
So it was 2 years ago, almost over 2 years ago.
Hi, my name is Arnav, and I'm 12 years old, and I've really enjoyed drones. What's interesting about drones is that they're a really cool flying machine, and it's really cool how just these small drones can lift themselves off the ground.
Hand. Ready? Did you flip it in my hand?
So when you fly a drone and it has a camera, it feels like you can really see the world around you a lot better because you get a higher view instead of just staying on the ground from your point of view.
Remember how
Yeah.
much fun we had? And like, I would come in, this is where you were sometimes, right? Right out here?
Yeah, so I could fly my drone, and I had an open space.
You have a business, right? So
Yeah.
you started, what's the name of your business?
Flying high.
Let me see that. You got something here for us?
Yeah.
Let's see. What is this? Oh yeah, this is his, so you started, tell me about your business.
Okay, so I started this after I finished the drone camp.
Okay.
Because I knew a lot about drones, so I thought I could make some money off of it.
And you made money?
Yeah.
Cool. Would you make? Oh, you're charging $5
Yeah.
appointment? 1 minute for drone footage. This is great. So he started his own business, and this was what? What was it called?
Flying High Drone Service.
Flying High Drone Services. Remember the one I loved. Here's what I love. What's your tagline?
When you choose flying high, you will not deny.
When you choose flying high, you will not deny. I love it. You were one of the originals. You know
Yeah.
that, right? So now,
Yeah,
this is
3 weeks.
interesting. For 3 weeks you did it, right?
Yeah.
That's right. You did full 3 weeks. Wow. So now we have 10 missions, and they're run as after-school programs, and it's like 30 hours worth of stuff. We did loops, variables, logic. Do you remember that? Logic,
Yep.
if, else, logic.
Yep.
And then we did 3D coordinates. And in this one, we're actually doing, look, you get little koalas. Oh, I should have brought you a koala. In this one we do, so we're going to help bees. Remember the coordinates?
Yep.
And so we actually have to fly in these big things called lilies that we make. We make these lilies. See these?
Yep.
And we're flying into flowers. And we have to navigate through that. Isn't that kind of cool?